Tepangkeun nami abdi Depram Firmansyah Rapian. Abdi di SMA Negeri 4 Subang. Abdi kelas 10 MIPA hiji.
Sampurasun dulur. Tepangkeun nami abdi Muhammad Edi Abdurrahim Umar. Abdi di sekolah SMA Negeri 4 Subang kelas 10 MIPA hiji.
Sampurasun tepangkeun nami abdi Pacaikul. Abdi sekolah di SMA 4 Subang kelas 10 MIPA hiji.
Sampurasun tepangkeun nami abdi Muhammad Rayhan di SMA Negeri 4 Subang di kelas 10 MIPA hiji.
Sampurasun tepangkeun nami abdi Repan. Abdi di SMA Negeri 4 Subang kelas 10 MIPA hiji.
Sampurasun tepangkeun nami abdi Edi Sripaldi asal SMA Negeri 4 Subang kelas 10 MIPA hiji.
So hard and Urang tos nepi yeuh di Curug Koleangkang. Yeuh nyadak tepatna teh mendingenaheun pisan. Waktu ti mangkat tepikeun ka Dugi teh sekitar sabaranya? Sajam setengahan lah sakituan.
All my friends are heathens, take it slow.
Aduh, tingali tempat nage mendingenaheun pisan yeuh. Pemandangan nage meni endah kieu. Duh.
Dulur, ayeuna urang keur di Curug Koleangkang. Anu lokasina di daerah Ciater.
Harga tiketnya 10.000 per orang.
Oke, jalanan.
My heart is your home. When the stars are crashing, your heart is my own. And it goes on and on and on. Love goes on and on and on. Oh yeah, oh my darling, would you take me?
Barudak arurang ayeuna nuju uihkeun ka Subang. Arurang ieu keur di kebon teh keneh tingali ngeunaheun perjalanan nage teu pati panas kaasupna tiis lah.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. Don't give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore. I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what.
Edak, orang tas nepi euy, di dieu Sunda Kopi. Ayo ngopi moal, enak ieu tempat nage. Dia.
There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it.
Itu kaditu. Hei, si Kepan tenang.
Tamunya orang bagi-bagi.
Tolong. Tugas ieu di Sunda Kopi. Nah, syadak tempat nage. Ayo, amang ka dia amang. Kembali.
Masih jadi nak. Ya anu urang nepangkeun abdi
Abdi kumaha maksudna Mang?
Gimana?
jadi kieu.
Kumaha ye?
Ieu teh geus di meja kotak gitu. Konferensi meja kotak.
Kali dinya wet. Kali dinya. Yuk atuh ke dari ieu kapat, ke dari ieu. Dari ieu. Sendak kopi ye. Enahan. Di luar ini. Lokasina di deket The King Subang, di deket Jogja lah.